So there's a car meet on campus today. So well, tonight, should I say? 6 o'clock now. So I'm just gonna go check it out, see what it's about. But I'm not gonna park where the meet's at because I got a feeling it's gonna get out of hand. So I'm gonna park at the deck, and that way it'll have a more or less an easy in and out, and don't get caught up in any unwanted trouble that could happen. Because I went to one of the last ones I had. I think it was like a month or two ago, and towards the end it just got out of hand and really stupid, and it took forever to get out. So I figured I'd film this one and see what it's about, because I only caught the tail end of the last one and it was really stupid and pointless. So we'll see what this one's about. So yeah, catch you later. Just pulled up to campus. Let's see what this is all about. Turns out there's a ton of trees up here because it's right like over in that area. The only thing I can hear is a bunch of revving. That's what I've heard in the past several seconds I've been here. So I might move down there just to see. It'll give me I'm sure it'll give me a better vantage point, but I'd park up here, play it safe. So yeah. Well, there's a little bit better review. It's nothing but a bunch of Mustangs so far. And a Charger. Well, I guess that's cool. Take that for what it's worth. Regular traffic. A bunch of regular traffic. Damn, this thing's clean. Hey. Regular traffic. What the f is that? Only thing that's not regular traffic that looks good. Whoa, what the hell? What's that? On Ultima. That shit's wild. I think it's time to bounce out of here. It's like nothing great. Just a bunch of regular traffic vehicles. I call it regular traffic. Now there's some cool stuff here, but nothing great, nothing spectacular. So it's all a bunch of other college kids, high schoolers, just cut their mufflers off and think it sounds good to rev. So that was this. Not all that great.